Today I'm taking a look at the Topec 6-piece tap socket set. So if you want to use these with an impact, we can just use that adapter to make it happen. We got a 1/2 inch, a 3/8, and a 1/4 inch drive. And that's going to be 4 of the different size drives on these. So this is a 1/2 inch on one side, and on the other side we have an adjustable chuck. And we can measure this out to find out exactly what those square sizes are. Fortunately, we already got a label on there. So this is for an M13 to M19. Here's our 3/8 drive, and that is going to be for an M5 to an M12. And here's a little 1/4 inch drive, and that is going to be for an M3 to an M8. So these work with both extractors as well as taps, because they both have square bases on them. Already got a hole drilled out on here. Now let's go ahead and tap it. This is just aluminum, so I'm not going to worry about using cutting oil. This can be a little bit more tricky when you got a ratchet to get it started, just because you want to get it straight. They do make slide bars you can use that also have a 3/8 drive on it, but I'm just going to use it with a ratchet. And it's much easier doing this with a ratchet than it is with a slide bar, just because you got all the extra leverage. And you also have the ratcheting ability, so you can actually get this thing at a point where it's going to give you the most amount of leverage. Of course, it is just a tap, you don't want to overstress it. And there we go. We've got a tapped hole. So yeah, awesome tool set to have. Also, just having 3 sizes in one small case like this makes this a very usable set. So I'm happy with that.